another trig equation. So it says 3 cos square x minus 3 is equal to sine square x minus 1. What I'm going to do with this here, I can quickly substitute sine square x so that I'm working with cos. You're going to recall the idea that cos square x plus sine square x equal 1. So if I recall this idea, as you could see, if I transpose, so the sine square is by itself, I'm definitely going to have sine square x, which is going to equal to 1 minus cos square x. So what it means then, I could put 1 minus cos square x where sine square x is right here. So let us rewrite this. So if I rewrite this, let me just bring it closer to here. So I'm definitely going to have 3 cos square x minus 3. And then this is equal to, now I'm going to use 1 minus cos square x. So I'm substituting this part, and then there's a minus 1 at the back. So as you could see, now I have all cos, which is good for what I'm about to do. What I'm going to do, though, is to gather everything on one side. For example, I'm going to gather my cos on one side. So this is a negative cos square. It's going to be a positive here. So let me write. So this is 3 cos square x. This is going to be a positive cos square x. This minus 3 will be a positive 3 on this side. And as you can see, positive 1 and a minus 1 is a 0. That's gone. So we're left with this. Now, if we check this, this is 3 cos square x plus cos square x. It's going to become 4 cos square x equal 3. And then I'm going to just divide by 4. So cos square x is equal to 3/4. Now, in order to find cos of x, I'm going to take the square root to get rid of the square. So as you could see, cos x is going to be plus or minus square root of 3, and the square root of 4 is 2. So this is what we're dealing with. Now we're dealing with positive or negative, which means I'm going to get all 4 answers for this. Now I'm going to check my special triangle, all right? With my special triangle right here, the cos of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2 because this is adjacent and this is the hypotenuse for the cos. So you could see where this is coming from. We are suggesting that right now it is cos of 30 that will produce my root 3 over 2. But the thing is, I need positive or negative of this. This is what we're dealing with right here. This is my reference angle, okay? This is my reference angle, right? This is my reference angle right here. And the reference angle is actually attached to your x-axis. So this is a 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this goes back to 360. Remember, we're functioning between 0 to 360. So this is my reference. This is my 30. I'm going to drop this. This is the other 30. I'm going to drop this. This is the other 30. And I'm going to drop this. This is the other 30. This is always good to help us. So my first angle would have been this 30 degrees. So that's one of my response, okay? So one of the response is that x is equal to 30. That's one of the answer. The second answer will be in the second quadrant. So all the way over here, right? But remember, this is 180 minus the 30, so we could get that. So my second answer is going to be 180 minus the 30, and this is 150 degrees. That's my second answer. My third answer is going to be at all the way here, come in here, okay? So which means it's going to be 180, and I'm going to add 30 more to it. So my Third answer is 180 plus 30, and this is 210 degrees. And the last response is going to be going all the way around to here, which is almost 360, except I'm going to reduce 30. I'm going to take 30 out of it. So my fourth answer is going to be 360 minus 30, and this is 330 degrees. And these are the four responses: 30, 150, 210, and 330 degrees.